From the Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Jacob Riley.
Well, if you like the warmer temperatures and the sunshine, you probably didn't have a single complaint about today's forecast. We're still seeing those blue skies across the area, just a few high-level clouds on off to our south and east, and even further towards our east. That's where we actually have a complex of severe storms beginning to develop. Notice the counties here in pink are under a severe thunderstorm watch until around 11 o'clock tonight. We do have a couple of severe storms popping up near the Wichita Falls area, and all of that activity will move on off towards the east. So we're not expecting any severe weather here in the hub city tonight. That's the good news. As we take a look at our future radar, this is around 7:30 tonight. Notice those storms staying to our east. We will be dry here across the South Plains. Now, as we go overnight, what's going to happen is our dry line will back into the area. That's going to bring us in some more moisture. So as we head into your Saturday afternoon, once that moisture returns and those high temperatures begin to warm into the 90s again, we're going to see a couple more storms pop up. Notice this is around 5 o'clock Saturday afternoon. Storms are expected to pop up anytime between 2 and 4 p.m. in the evening, right around the Lubbock metro area. Then they will race on off towards the north and east. And then by midnight Saturday night, heading into Sunday morning, things will begin to calm down across the area. So what we're looking at, another day of severe weather potential here across the South Plains. Notice Lubbock is in that level 1 marginal risk for severe storms just on off the Caprock across the rolling plains. That's where we have a level 2 slight risk. So some of our main weather concerns for tomorrow once again are going to be the damaging wind threat and the large hail threat. Winds around 60 to 70 miles an hour will be possible, and hail upwards of 2 inches in diameter are expected once again. The pattern we're going to see tomorrow is fairly similar to what we've been seeing over the past 2 weeks. So over the next 5 days, we're going to see those rain chances actually stick around. The best chance as of right now looks to be for Saturday, but notice 20-30% sticking around for Sunday and Monday, even lasting into your work week next week. And that's the good news. All of that's going to be thanks to this upper level low pressure we have over the Pacific Northwest right now. Notice by Sunday, though, this trough begins to dig into our area. That trough will move into our region, and you'll notice this big spinning area here over the Lone Star State. That is a low pressure system. It arrives later in the day on Tuesday, stays with us through Wednesday, on into Thursday, even on Friday. We're still going to be dealing with this system, so that's why it appears we could see the prolonged rainfall across the area. Take a look at this. This is Monday on into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, even Friday. We're still going to see those showers around, so this is going to be potentially great news for our ag producers across the area. This rainfall really couldn't come at a better time for them. In terms of how much rainfall we could see, one model, the European model, showing a little over half of an inch here in Lubbock, and notice the greater amounts will remain on off to our east over central portions of Texas. Another thing, thanks to that rainfall, is that we're going to see some cooler temperatures as well. We'll keep the 90s around for your Saturday, right at average by Sunday, but then notice Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we're going to stay in the 70s. So it's actually going to be feeling a little bit more like spring, and actually for a change, a little bit below average for this time of year. Overnight tonight, it's going to be rather warm. A nice night in store for us. Again, no severe storms are expected tonight. Lows will fall down into the middle and upper 50s and middle 60s down to our south and east. Again, that dry line will back into our area, bringing some more moisture for tomorrow. That's why we do have the severe weather risk for Saturday, maybe some stronger storms on Sunday as well. But what we're going to notice, those rain chances sticking around for at least the next 7 days. So again, we really haven't seen a whole lot of rain this spring, but it looks like our pattern is going to change here, Lauren and Brian, as we head into your work week this next week.
I don't remember the last time we saw that many days with that much possibility of rain. So that's a good thing.
It's a sight for sore eyes, right?
Yeah, no
kidding. It is. Yeah, that's a really great thing. All right, Jacob, thank you. Red River Nation's coming up next.